The Slit Products Cordless Digital Air Inflator is a versatile and compact solution for all your inflation needs. This portable and lightweight air compressor is designed to quickly inflate car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycle tires, basketballs, footballs, soccer balls, and more, making it an indispensable tool for all your inflation needs. This innovative device has a long-lasting, rechargeable battery and also doubles as a power bank. With its built-in USB port, you can conveniently charge your cell phone, laptop, or any other USB-powered device, ensuring that you stay connected wherever you are. It also features a bonus LED flashlight, providing reliable illumination in low light conditions. It also has a built-in emergency blinker which provides peace of mind, especially during roadside emergencies or unexpected breakdowns. With its versatility, portability, and multifunctionality, the Slit Products Cordless Digital Air Inflator is truly a must-have tool. Whether you're inflating tires or sports equipment, charging devices, or illuminating dark spaces, this all-in-one solution has you covered, ensuring convenience, safety, and that the fun never stops. Available now on Amazon.